I'm Elizabeth Westby with Platt Westby, and today we're going to talk a little bit about spousal maintenance. Spousal maintenance is formally known as alimony, and it's intended as a type of support to help the parties enjoy the same comforts that they did during the marriage. Contrary to popular belief, spousal support is never automatic. The court must make a finding that a party is entitled to a spousal award. In order to be entitled to a spousal award, the court's going to look at 4 categories. The first is whether or not a party lacks sufficient property. The second is whether or not a party is able to be self-sufficient through gainful employment. The third is whether or not a party contributed to the educational opportunities of the other spouse. And then finally the fourth, whether there was a long-term marriage and the party who would be receiving the spousal award is of an age that would prevent them from being gainfully employed. Once the court determines that a spouse is eligible for an award, the court will then look at several factors to determine the amount and duration of the award. Generally, it's about 3 categories that an award will fall into. The first is a permanent award. This is very rare, but the facts would be that the marriage was of a very long duration and the receiving party is of an age where they cannot be gainfully employed. The second type of award is called rehabilitative, and is intended to support the spouse for a period of time until he or she is able to be self-sufficient. The third type of award is called compensatory, and it's really very rare and only appropriate when the spouse has contributed to the educational opportunities of the other spouse, but the other spouse filed for dissolution shortly thereafter receiving their education. If you have any questions regarding spousal maintenance, your opportunities pending a divorce, or whether or not you're eligible for a modification of a spousal award, don't hesitate to call our offices at 602-277-4441.